Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
My name is
wabarakatuh.
Ari and I would like to tell you about my story. The title is The Value of a Green Race. Next. In a small kingdom, the king had a child who was very spoiled. In the presence of kings and queen, the attitude of this little prince was kind and pleasant, but behind them his attitude completely changed into a rude child. Although had and shunned, but this little prince still has the only friend of his age who is loyal to him, namely the son of his nanny. Next. Feeling that he was the crown prince of the kingdom, he grew up to be a child who did not know manners and did not want to respect others. Just before eating, the little prince looked like he was bowing his head as if praying. A moment later, the prince began to devour all the dishes served at the dining table. He tasted all kinds of food. Several times he just chopped and bit his food, then vomited and threw the rest on the table. The dining table became cluttered and food scraps were scattered everywhere. Next. One day, the little prince asked the boy to accompany him for lunch in the dining room of the village. In a sense, the boy asked to wait and see the prince eating from the corner of the room. Next. The prince seemed to be mocking his friend who was just standing looking at him, but instead of feeling humiliated, the little boy was smiling ever since. Next. The little prince got oven too, and he said, "Hey, why are you laughing? You have been laughing since I pray and give thanks. You also laugh." The little boy said boldly, "The prince had prayed and thanks, but how to eat and treat food? Why not feed? So why pray and thankful before eating?" Next. "My food is plentiful. I can do anything with that food," replied the little prince. Come with me to the warehouse. I will show you the abundance of food I have." Next. When he arrived at the food warehouse, the prince pretended to be a wise king. "Hey, my people, thank you. How is your rice harvest?" "The harvest is very bad, prince," replied a farmer frightened. Next. Farm fields are destroyed by pests. We don't know that what our wife children will eat tomorrow. We just survive with a little to food. So please forgive us who can only offer this bag of rice. But the rice we offer is the best rice we have. Next. The little prince then ran away because he felt ashamed of himself, and since then his behavior gradually changed to be more polite and respectful to others. Next. Okay, that's all from my story. And then the moral value from this story is, don't forget to be grateful. To give thanks is not just praying, it is not just doing a formality, but more than that, our gratitude must be accompanied by an attitude of respect and respect for others. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Devi, for your short story. Can you repeat again your moral value with using bahasa?
Jadi moral value di cerita ini nih, jangan lupa bersyukur. Terus bersyukur itu bukan cuma berdoa, tapi juga menghargai orang di sekitar kita. Terus misalnya kita makan berkecukupan. Kalau di cerita itu tuh, kalau kita makan itu jangan suka dihambur-hamburin kayak nasi. Nasi itu orang lain tuh banyak di luar sana yang susah makan, tapi kita yang berkecukupan yang masih bisa makan dengan cukup malah dibuang-buang. Jadi intinya jangan lupa bersyukur gitu.
Okay, thank you, Devi. Well, next presenter is... Masih ada yang presentasi lagi nggak?
Enggak, udah habis terakhir.
Udah habis ya?
Iya.
Well, I think it's enough for today. Thank you very much, guys, for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.